Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this gatefold card using the Regency Park Suite. Here's my gatefold card using the Regency Park Suite, which consists of two bundles, including the Petal Park bundle, which has a punch, and the Sentimental Park bundle, which has dies that cut out the images and some labels. So really fun. So I started off with a piece of 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored at 2 1/8 from each side. I have cut out some paper that is 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. The paper has pretty flowers on one side and designs on the other side. There's also some texture shimmer paper that is part of the suite as well. I'm going to start by adhering the DSP to the panels on the side. And I'm going to stamp some flowers on this inside piece. So I'm going to stamp the outlines of the flowers in the corners. And then I'm going to come back and stamp off the filler image and then fill all the flowers in a lighter color. Now I'm going to add the outline of the leaves on both sides. And again, I will stamp off to add the filler for the leaves. Now I'm going to add this sentiment starting with you and thinking of on top and place that inside the card. For the outside of the card, I'm going to stamp Dear Friend and then attach that to the front and then attach that to the front of the card base with dimensionals. Now the fun begins. I'm going to put dimensionals on all these flowers that I've already stamped and die cut, and then add them as a big flower bunch to the top of this panel. And I've got 3 of these flowers and 2 of the bunches of flowers. And now I'm just going to add all the leaves that I punched out with the Petal Park punch. And so here is my Regency Park gatefold card. Receive my Regency Park card kit for free when you place a $50 order or purchase one of the bundles from the Regency Park Suite using my current host code. You'll get this lovely gatefold card, this gift card holder card, and this fun easel card. So just email me and let me know that you've made your purchase and you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you.